So hi, this is Ginny with LearnWithGinny.com. You can find me on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, everywhere at LearnWithGinny. And you can get free business training for your marketing at LearnWithGinny.com. So today's topic is how to use Stencil to create your YouTube thumbnails, because I covered this on using Canva. But there are some of us that enjoy using Stencil because it's a different kind of feel to it, and some people find it a little bit easier. So I am going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how to do it very quickly. All right, and then on my YouTube channel, probably, most likely, or in my newsletter, one of those places. If you're on my list, you'll get a link. If you go to my YouTube channel and watch it there, there'll be a link under the video on signing up for Stencil. And I believe there's another link for signing up for Canva under that one. So it would be great if you signed up using those links, just to give me a little bit of kudos for showing you how to use this stuff. All right, so let me share my screen. Enough to chat and blah, blah. And put my glasses on so I can see. Oh, and turn off this because it's probably taking up bandwidth. Okay. So this is Stencil, right? We want to create a new thumbnail. So we click New Image. And down here, see this little green guy that says default 1200 by 800 pixels. I have no idea what size we need for a thumbnail. So I just click it here and I say YouTube thumbnail, which is 1280 by 720, by the way, if you want to know. And if you're a real graphic designer and want to create stuff from scratch, go for it. That's the size. So I like to use my cutout videos, which I also showed you, images that I showed you in another video, how I do that. I'm gonna use this one just because it's handy and it's there in Stencil. So I'm gonna use this one. I clicked uploads because those are my own uploaded photos. I only have one in there right now, because you could use all these cool photos from Stencil that they provide, which, you know, they have a lot of stuff. Like if I wanted to use a cat, I could find a cute cat picture and put it in there. But I'm going to use my picture because I want people on my YouTube channel to recognize my face. So, oh, those are cute though. Anyway, now let's see, I want to add some text. So underneath the create new image icon, there's a little text icon. It says add text. So I'm just going to add it. I'm going to use the arrows to move it around. And I want a different font in here. I think I'll use Impact. And this is going to be what I'm going to use for this video. YouTube thumbnails using Stencil. I'm going to move it again. Click outside of it and just click on it again. You'll get your arrows back. And I want to make it bigger. So let's make it bigger. Text size. Whoops, that's too big. Right about there, hey? Okay. I am going to make the text color, actually. I want an outline. I want the outline color to actually be black. And I want the text color to be white, I think. So let me grab white at the top of our color grid here. There, that's it. Easy peasy, right? It's a little bit easier to, I mean, not a little bit, a lot easier to use Stencil to put outlines on your text than it is in Canva, because I just showed you that the other day. You can check that out if Canva is your thing. So that's it. I mean, now I would save it and I would download it onto my hard drive so that I can upload it as a thumbnail onto my YouTube video. So that's it. Pretty easy, pretty quick. I hope you got value out of that. Let me know if you have other stuff that I can quickly cover, because I'm not going to do giant tutorials and stuff, but I will show you things that you'll find helpful. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my newsletter so that you get all my promos and stuff and hear my stories. So make it a great day. I'll see you next time.